Gaylord, the big fellow. And these are some acorn squash I had stored that, well, they were starting to mold, and there's a couple of onions there that didn't make it to the freezer and got frozen outside. And as you can see, rabbits really like onions. They like hot things like peppers, and they'll eat just about anything. So the chickens are doing pretty good. It's, what is it, December 20th? Just before Christmas here. And it's been cold. We had a big cold snap where we had, you know, for us it was pretty cold. It was -6. You're chilly. Got a baby bunny. There's some babies living underneath this old canoe. There's my other rooster that I have in with the hens. He's a black Australorp. And I think Gaylord is I don't know what he is, but I'm thinking he's an Araucana. I got him for free from a lady in Hood River, and he's actually the daddy of some of these running around. So when I get ready to collect eggs, I need to separate him and some hens I know he's not the father of, so I can kind of at least limit the amount of truly retarded chickens running around here. But he's a good daddy. I can put him in with the babies and he won't even bother him. He likes having the babies. He's a real good rooster with the hens and the little ones. So what I did to keep the bunnies in, and Dean and I think Dean did almost this whole area of the burying of the wire, and it's kind of come exposed now in some places, so after it thaws out a little bit, I might have to come out and try to rebury some of this, but they don't get out and the dogs don't get in, so that's good. Keeps them in. So we got a big area here. Goes all the way over there. And then there's another big area over here where the chicken coop is, that we just built this summer. And then there's a smaller area where I have all the rest of the roosters, because I don't want all the roosters in here with these hens. They just bother the hell out of them and never get any eggs. So I've got 2 roosters in with my hens right now. And the rabbits and the chickens live together real well. Oh yeah, yep. And it gets a little messy in here in the winter time because feed sacks get caught in the wind and blow around and shit doesn't get, you know, like I stacked these bowls all up, had the stuff all stacked up, and the rabbits will knock it down, so, or the wind will knock it over, so I gotta get in here maybe on a day it's not quite so cold. And you look kind of ratty. Your fellow's been pecking on you. That one looks a little better. What's the matter with you? You used to be one of the biggest, meanest devils around here. Now you look kind of ratty. Yeah, so they look pretty good.